Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how to use and create WhatsApp broadcast. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing you have to do is open your WhatsApp application. After it opens, you can see 3 dots on the top right. Tap on these dots. On the first number you will find the option groups, and on the second number broadcast, tap on it. And here you have to select the person which you want to add in your WhatsApp broadcast. So just for showing you, I'll select few. So here I select 2 persons. After selecting, you will see tick icon on the bottom right. Tap on it. And as you can see, I created a broadcast on WhatsApp. Basically, the broadcast is same as group, means you can add people in your broadcast, and if you send a message in your broadcast, then the people who is in your WhatsApp broadcast can see your messages. So it's the fundamental way by which you can create and use broadcast on WhatsApp.